the entire reason, for example, that my grandmother gave permission for her husband's remains to be moved
Mm.
to QMC
Mhm.
was not that there would be a monument, but that there would be a museum, a library, and a theater. Ang naging dahilan kung bakit uh, pumayag yung pamilya was
Mm.
that, monument aside, may public service aspect,
Mm.
which was library, museum, and theater.
Library, museum.
Kasi, di ba? Yun ang nandun kay Ilustre, etc. If you notice, even Manyosa kept an aspect of that.
Yes.
Di
Yes.
ba? Okay, so yun ang mawawala. For example, there could be a way, I don't know, for example, if the mayor has problems with parang masyadong grandiose yung
Mm.
idea sa kanya nung Moral Victory Monument mo,
Mm.
which is actually a complex, you
Mm.
may want to consider turning it into those aspects.
Okay. Yes.
Community theater, community
Theater.
library, di ba?
Community. Okay.
Community museum or whatever, di ba?
Yeah.
In which case, hindi na grandiose and babalik sa original motivation nung ano. Yun ang suggestion ko. Kasi sa amin, from the family's point of view, syempre, ayaw namin makialam masyado, but ang duty namin is to raise those agreements from the start.
Good. Yeah. Actually, that's
Yun
perfect.
lang, because everything else, personally, maganda because yung everything is green, you're bringing back the plants, hindi na magulo, pedestrian and people friendly, maganda tingnan, alam mo, maraming tubig, and so on. So, I mean, syempre, creativity mo na yan. So, you know, it's, that's up to you. You know how to defend that. Sa akin lang, those are just the inputs I would add. So,
Actually,
kasi ang idea mo for the whole QMC is to bring it back to being a safe space, di ba?
Yeah. Talagang ano naman.
So safe para sa tao, safe para sa hayop, safe para sa commuter, tourist,
Yeah.
di ba? Lahat. So, yun lang.